This video is part of my slow motion series, and in it I'm going to cover this simple stretchy bind off. And it's the bind off that since discovering it a few years ago, pretty much what I use for everything that needs stretch. Necklines of sweaters, tops of socks, headbands, you name it, this is the one that I'm using. I've used a lot of different ones. This is the one that stuck. It's really easy to use. If you would like to see my entire slow motion video series, just click the little eye in the upper right hand corner. I'll also provide a link in the video description field below. I'll also provide a link to the regular speed version of this video. And in that one, I demonstrate doing this bind off when you have a knit purl rib. And I'll tell you, since shooting that video and knitting for a few more years and using this bind off for a few more years, I don't even bother with knitting in pattern anymore when I do this, regardless of what the stitch pattern is. If it's plain knitting, if it's ribbing, I always just bind off in knit, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate here. Just nothing wrong with binding off in pattern, of course. I tell you that this is just the way that I do it, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate. Let's go slow-mo. Okay, here we go. We're getting ready to bind off, getting the stitches close to the tip of the needle. First thing I'm going to do is to knit that first stitch. Then knit the second stitch. The stretchy part comes in just a minute. Then when you have two stitches on the needle, take the tip of the left needle and put it through the front of those two stitches on the right needle. Wrap the back needle and pull it through like a normal knit stitch. Now you're left with just one stitch on the needle. So knit another. Two stitches on the right needle. Take the tip of your left needle and put it through the front of those two stitches. Wrap the back needle and pull it through, so you're left with just one stitch on the right needle. That's the pattern. Knit another stitch. Two stitches on the right needle. Take the tip of the left needle and put it into the front of those two stitches, the part facing you. You're essentially knitting those two stitches through the back loop. You could transfer them back to the left needle and stick the right needle through the back, or you can do it like this, saving yourself a step. Knit the next stitch. There we go, in full motion, and taking a look at the stretch. And that's it. I hope that helps. Good luck.